What's up, West Creek? Welcome to the first broadcast in the new school year. I'm Kingston Bowe.
And I'm Tamia Brown, and you're watching CET.
With us being seniors this year, we thought that it would be fitting to do a segment on us.
So today, we'll be interviewing seniors with their iconic senior backpacks. Let's get into it.
All right, I'm here with
Kennedy.
Daniela.
And what made y'all rock that backpack for senior year?
I chose Lilo and Stitch because it's one of my favorite movies, so I just went with the backpack.
I chose Minnie and Daisy because my freshman year I had a Mickey Mouse backpack and it was blue, and this year I felt more girly, so I went with pink.
They got special characters on it. They got Sonic. They got all characters on it from the Sonic show. It's cool. Man, I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna graduate. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna graduate. It's gonna be lit.
I'm just trying to focus, get good grades, finish strong, have fun, not take anything too serious.
For me, I'm just trying to, figure out where I'm gonna be in life, finish with a strong GPA, and just enjoy, have fun.
feel like big dog for her, I feel like walking around seeing like the little kids, the underclassmen, knowing like just not even 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I used to be.
It feels good, but it's like sad because we finally done, like it's over with.
Yeah, I feel great, nostalgia hitting me. Like I'm really after this, I'm really grown. I can do whatever I want to do. And yeah, it's pretty good, bittersweet.
I feel great. I'm on the top of the food chain. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the top. Don't follow other people. Be yourself. Rule number 1. Don't skip class.
I really just tell them to focus on school. A lot of relationships and friendships are temporary. So just focus on yourself, focus on what you want to do, and make sure to have fun and enjoy everything as much as you can.
Yeah, I would say stay on top of your grades, turn in everything on time, because as long as you turn in everything, you're guaranteed to pass. Have fun, like she said, you're gonna lose friends on the way, you're gonna make friends on the way, and have fun, just be great.
Wow. Well, would you look at that?
They actually had some pretty cool bags. Well, that was fun, but
That's all we have for you this week.
don't forget to tune in next week to Coyote Entertainment Television.
This has been Tamia.
And Kingston.
See you next time.